Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the process of adding someone to your favorites on Facebook using a PC. This feature allows you to prioritize updates from certain friends or pages, making it easier to stay connected with the people and content you care about most. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile photo, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the next menu, click on Content Preferences. This will direct you to a section where you can manage various feed settings. Here, look for and select the option labeled Favorites. Now, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Just below it, there's an option labeled All. Click on this to display a list of all your friends and pages. To add someone to your favorites, simply locate their name or profile in the list. Next to their name, you'll see a small star icon. Click on the star, and that person or page will be added to your favorites list. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize your Facebook feed and ensure that updates from your favorite people or pages are always front and center. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your social media experience even better.